Welcome to Class 1 MathMagic NCERT Mathematics Chapter 2 Numbers from 1 to 9 Part 4 Page numbers 48 to 50. Children, this is the last part for this chapter 2, that is numbers from 1 to 9. All the 3 parts have already been uploaded, and in this part, that is part 4, we will learn about the concept of 0 and also do the exercises given in your NCERT textbook. So let's start. First we will see about concept of 0. Children, can you see a tree? Yes. And on the tree, what are there? Few birds are there. Very good. See how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3. So we counted how many birds? 1, 2, 3. So totally how many birds are there now? 3 birds are there. See now next what happened? One bird flied away. So how many birds are left now? 1, 2. So now how many birds are there on the tree? 2 birds are there. Now one more bird flied away. So now how many birds are there on the tree? 1 bird. And now how many birds are there? 1 bird. And now if this bird also flies away, are there any birds on the tree? No. Now there are no birds on the tree. Then we say it as nothing, that is 0. See how to write 0? Z-E-R-O, 0. First 3 birds were there, then 2 birds, then 1 bird, then there were no birds. Nothing was there. So then it is called as 0 birds. How many birds are there now? 0 birds. Okay, understood children? The concept of 0, if there is nothing, no objects are there, then we call it as 0. Example, you have 2 chocolates. First you have eaten 1 chocolate. Then how many chocolates are left with you? 1 more chocolate. And if your brother eats that chocolate also, how many chocolates are there? 0 chocolates. Okay, now let's see the exercises from your textbook. Page number 48. 5 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? See how many mangoes are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes are there in the basket. How many have you taken? 1 you have taken and eaten it because yummy mangoes. So how many are left? In 5 if you take 1, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 4. Next, 4 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Now 4 are there. From that you have taken 1. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Next, 3 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? So how many will be left? 1, 2. Next, 2 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? How many are left in the basket? 1. 1 juicy mango kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Now 1 more is there. You ate that. Now how many are there? 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Very good. Now next, page number 49. Count and write the number of birds on the branch. On the bird, how many birds are there on the branch? You have to count and write. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there in this branch? 4. Now what happened? 1 bird flied away. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now out of 3, 1 more bird flied away. How many left? 1, 2. Now out of 2 birds, 1 more flied away. How many left? 1. Now that 1 bird also flied away. So how many left? 0. Very good. Next, Page number 50. How many in the cage? Now you have to count how many mice are there in the cage and you have to write. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 mice are there. Next, one jumped out of the cage. So how many are there? 1, 2, 2. Now one more jumped out of cage. So how many mouse is there now? 1. Now that also jumped. Are there any mouse in the basket, in the cage? No. So 0. Next, how many balloons in the hand? First she had 1, 2, 3 balloons. Now one got blasted. How many left? 1, 2. Next, 1 out of 2, 1 gaya. So left out 1. Now that is also not there. So how many? 0. Okay children. Now next what you will do? You will write number 0. Okay. You will write number 0 in the boxes given. How you will write number 0? Like this you will do curve and one more curve. Like this you will write and complete all the boxes given below. Okay children. So by this we have completed our chapter 2, that is numbers from 1 to 9. This chapter we have divided into 4 parts and all the 4 parts have been uploaded. So please watch all the 4 parts. Okay, I hope you all understood. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.